Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset system settings. Alright, so we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, scroll down into the bottom until you find the General Management. Now scroll down until you find the Reset options, and now scroll down, and now under the Reset options we want to select Reset All Settings. In here you can see what things won't be, actually will be resetted. Sorry, that are the exceptions. So the security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and the settings for downloaded apps won't be resetted. Now simply click on Reset Settings, and now if you have the lock screen, you need to type it or draw it, just like in my case. And now click on Reset. Okay. And now simply wait until your phone gets turned on again. It will be turned on automatically. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.